Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to draw this sketch here, and we will draw this sketch less than 5 minutes. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have my SolidWorks open. Here I click on the new part, okay. Now we have a new part. For drawing the sketch, we need to choose a plane, and in SolidWorks we have 3 planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. The 3 standards plane, or we can create plane, but I will tell you what's the use of the planes in SolidWorks. But for now, just click on the front plane and click on sketch. Now we have an open sketch, or sketch is open. First thing first, we have to draw 2 slots in each other. So here I choose center point straight slot. Here we have 4 slots, but I wanna draw a straight slot. So this slot have a center point. So start drawing your sketch from the origin point. So you can see as I move my mouse, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, the center of the slot will be connected to the origin point. So you can see the green yellow symbol, vertical relation. So I want to draw a vertical slot, and I have to draw another slot. So be careful, the length of this center line must be equal to the smaller slot. So here is another slot. Right click select to exit the line. Now we have 2 slots. Here choose a smart dimension, and the radius of this slot is 4 millimeter, and the radius of this slot is 8 millimeter. And the length of this line is 15 millimeter. Now it's perfect. We have to now draw these lines here. So I choose line, and I start drawing from this line. So you can see as I move my mouse, the color of this line will change. Now I have to draw a horizontal line. You can see as I move the line, here you can see the yellow symbol. It means that if I click on the screen, the relation will be applied to my line. So if you can't see the relations or the dimensions, come in hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the dimensions and the relations. So you can see, now you can see the green symbols here. They are the relations. Now I have to draw a vertical line, so I choose line, and I start drawing the line from this point of the line, the orange point, a vertical line, a horizontal line here, and a vertical line, and a horizontal line, and right click select to exit the line. Now we have to apply the dimensions. The dimension of this line is 4 millimeter. And the dimension of this line is 9 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 10 millimeter. So if you can't see the dimensions properly, you can just move the dimensions. It looks better now. The dimension of this line is 20 millimeter. We have applied all the, one more dimension we need. The dimension from this line to the point here is 3 millimeter. Everything is perfect now. Our sketch is fully fine. It means that I can't move my sketch. Now we have to trim this line here. So I choose trim entities. Now I have to trim this line. Here you deal with this message. It means that if you trim the line, the relations will be deleted. Now you have to apply the relations. Hold the control button and choose this line, and the arc here, control Z, choose this line and that arc here, and give it tangent relation, and give tangent relation to this one, and tangent relation. So if you trim the lines and the arcs, the relation will be deleted. Now these 2 lines are equal. And our sketch is not still fully defined because Let me see what's the problem. Our sketch is not still well defined because these two arcs are equal. Now everything is perfect. Now these two lines are equal. So you can just hold the control button and give it equal relation. Equal relation. Now it is full defined, and our sketch is not moving. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. Your comments give me energy to put more videos on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, put your comments. I will answer your questions. Thanks for watching this video.